Some big breaking news coming in. 19 people who were rescued from the flood-affected areas of Hyderabad have now tested positive for coronavirus at the relief camp. Around 2,000 people were rescued and shifted to relief camps, and now out of them, 19 people have tested positive. 19 of those people who were rescued from those flood-affected areas of Hyderabad have now tested positive at the relief camp. Remember, at least 2,000 people were rescued and shifted to relief camps across of Hyderabad. Ashish joining us live for more details on that. Ashish, this is tragic. We do know that with rains and floods, it's only risking people's lives all the more, considering coronavirus pandemic we're in the midst of this pandemic, and coronavirus threats are only going to snowball with those with the kind of rains and flood situation that's currently in Hyderabad. 19 people have tested positive. What about the rest of those thousands of them who are still at relief camps? Are they all being tested?
Yes, it's a double trouble for residents of Hyderabad, Nabila. Remember, earlier also we reported that how Hyderabad been the epicenter of COVID-19 cases in Telangana, and now city is receiving heavy to very heavy rainfall. Several thousand people have been shifted to over 100 relief camps across Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation region. While shifting to these relief camps, all these people were tested. Rapid testing, test was done on all these people, and out of 2,000 people, 19 are now positive, COVID-19 positive. So yes, that's the big worry for administration also, because thousands of people are suffering, and they are facing problem because of heavy to very heavy rainfall. Several localities in Hyderabad are inundated, and now IMD weather department has predicted more rainfall. In this scenario, in this situation, more and more people require shelter and require a shifting to those safe places. And in this condition, COVID-19 and COVID-19 related infection is a big challenge for local administration, Nabila.
Absolutely, Ashish. This is quite a shocker, considering 19 of them are positive. Does that mean the rest of the thousands who are there at those relief camps, are they at risk of COVID-19?
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.